Welded metal frame tables rose to prominence as a reflection of shifting design priorities, durability, versatility, and an unapologetic industrial aesthetic. This evolution in taste highlights a broader cultural movement toward furniture that combines strength and simplicity while catering to diverse styles. The emergence of these tables as staples in homes, offices, and studios underscores a desire for pieces that serve both functional and artistic purposes. Their widespread appeal owes much to the DIY movement, which democratized access to personalized high-quality designs, empowering individuals to craft furniture tailored to their spaces and preferences. The Industrial Revolution in furniture design marked the genesis of welded metal frame tables, as advancements in manufacturing reduced dependence on elaborate wooden craftsmanship. Metal emerged as a material of choice for those seeking durability and a modern look. Its strength and adaptability allow designers to experiment with minimalist aesthetic, creating pieces that appeal to both the practical and design conscious. These early metal tables stood as symbols of innovation, heralding a new era of accessible and enduring furniture. Urbanization further fueled the rise of welded metal frame tables. The 20th century migration towards city living led to an increased demand for compact multifunctional furniture. In smaller apartments and studios, bulky wooden design fell out of place, while metal frame tables offered an airy, lightweight appearance without compromising on strength. Designers like Le Corbusier and Marcel Breuer popularized the use of metal in furniture, showcasing its potential to transform everyday items into icons of modern design. The seamless blend of form and function became a hallmark of these tables, setting the stage for their enduring popularity. The DIY movement capitalized on these trends, elevating welded metal frame tables into a phenomenon. In an era where mass-produced furniture dominated the market, many individuals sought alternatives that allowed them to express creativity and stand out. Welding offered an avenue for customization, enabling creators to manipulate raw materials into designs that reflected their unique taste. The hands-on process of cutting, shaping, and assembling metal frame tables became a form of artistic expression, with the finished product serving as a functional testament to the maker's skill. The rise of digital platforms revolutionized the way people approached DIY projects, including welded metal frame tables. Social media channels like YouTube and Instagram became invaluable resources for sharing tutorials, inspiration, and troubleshooting tips. Creators posted step-by-step guides, demystifying welding and empowering novices to attempt projects they might otherwise have found intimidating. This platform fostered communities of makers where shared enthusiasm and expertise drove the popularity of metalworking as a hobby. This collective knowledge ensured that even beginners could confidently create steady stylish tables at home. Sustainability became another driving force behind the appeal of DIY welded metal frame tables. As environmental concerns gain prominence, more individuals turn to upcycling and repurposing materials. Scrap metal, old pipes, and other discarded items found new life as stable frames. Aligning with eco-conscious values, this approach allowed creators to craft unique story pieces while reducing waste. For many, the act of transforming salvaged materials into functional furniture felt both rewarding and impactful, merging creativity with a commitment to sustainability. The versatility of welded metal frame tables made them a favorite among DIY enthusiasts. Their designs could be tailored to fit various interior styles, from industrial chic to modern minimalism. A frame paired with a reclaimed wood top might exude rustic warmth, while one topped with glass could feel sleek and contemporary. Makers relished the opportunity to experiment, customizing elements like finishes, wooden patterns, and frame shapes to suit their personal preferences. This adaptability ensured that each table felt like a unique statement piece, perfectly aligned with its environment. Affordability played a significant role in the widespread adoption of welded metal frame tables. While designer furniture often comes with a hefty price tag, DIY versions allow individuals to create comparable pieces at a fraction of the cost. Local hardware stores and survey yards offered affordable materials and tools like welders and grinders could be rented or borrowed, minimizing upfront expenses. For many, the financial savings combined with the satisfaction of building their furniture made DIY metalworking an irresistible option. The rise of maker spaces amplified The DIY movement, offering access to professional-grade tools and collaborative environment. These shared workshops equip makers with everything needed to tackle ambitious projects, from metalworking machinery to expert guidance. Maker spaces also foster a sense of community, where individuals could share ideas, learn from one another, and refine their skills. This collaborative culture encouraged innovation, allowing makers to push the boundaries of what was possible with welded metal frame tables. Advancements in technology further elevated the designs of welded metal frame tables. Laser cutting enabled intricate patterns and precise detailing that added a new dimension to the table frames. Powder coating introduced vibrant colors and durable finishes, expanding the range of aesthetic options. This innovation inspired both DIYs and professional designers to experiment with bold creative concepts. As a result, metal tables became not only functional furniture, but also striking works of art. The integration of mixed materials into welded metal frame tables became a popular trend, offering endless opportunities for creativity. Makers combine metal frame with wood, glass or concrete to create striking contrast. A live air wooden top might pair beautifully with a sleek steel base, blending natural and industrial elements. Similarly, a concrete tabletop supported by a geometric metal frame offered a modern minimalist look. These combinations highlighted the versatility of metal as a design element, capable of complementing a wide range of materials and styles. Practicality remains one of the most compelling reasons for the enduring appeal of welded metal frame tables. Metal's inherent strength and resistance to wear make it an ideal material for furniture subjected to daily use. Unlike wood, it is less vulnerable to damage from moisture, pests or temperature fluctuations, ensuring longevity. This durability, combined with ability to withstand heavy loads, make metal frame tables a reliable investment for both DIY makers and consumers. The industrial aesthetic associated with welded metal frame tables aligns with broader cultural trends that celebrate raw materials and craftsmanship. Exposed welds, visible screws, and unpolished finishes became desirable features, reflecting an appreciation for authenticity and imperfection. This aesthetic resonated with individuals who value character in their home decor, cementing the appeal of metal frame tables as both functional and artistic pieces. As new generation discover the joys of making, welded metal frame tables continue to captivate creators and users alike. Whether motivated by cost savings, environmental concerns, or the desire for personalized furniture, makers find endless inspiration in the possibilities of metalworking. The process of cutting, welding and assembling metal into functional works of art embodies a spirit of resilience and ingenuity, ensuring that this table remains a fixture in modern design. Welded metal frame tables furniture represents a cultural shift toward creativity, sustainability, and hands-on craftsmanship. From their roots in industrial design to their place in contemporary interiors, these tables have evolved into symbols of ingenuity and self-expression. As DIY movement thrive and technologies advance, the appeal of welded metal frame tables continue to grow, reinforcing their status as timeless, versatile, and deeply personal creations.
Thank you for tuning in. If this video lighted a spark of creativity or gave your project the edge they deserve, don't let the inspiration stop here. Hit the like button, share this with others who get it, and subscribe to join the community that thrives on innovation. Don't forget to tap the notification bell because being ahead of the curve means catching the latest ideas as they drop. See you in the next video.